A couple sold their HDB flat to their daughter for about $410,000. However, they claimed that the sale came with a condition. Their daughter had promised that they could live there for their lifetimes. The relationship then soured when their daughter sold the flat in 2022, stating that the buyer would move in and the parents had to move out and leave by May that year. The parents sued their own daughter for $300,000, alleging that they had given her a $240,000 discount on the flat's market value and contributed $80,000 to help clear her debts. When it comes to protecting family transactions, why is putting it in writing a must? Family transactions can be a double-edged sword. At the same time, they often start with good intentions, but they can quickly turn sour when not adequately documented. A recent case involving a family dispute over an HDB flat in Woodlands highlights the importance of having clear written terms and conditions to avoid costly legal battles. In 2009, a couple sold their HDB flat to their daughter for about $410,000. However, they claimed that the sale came with a condition. Their daughter had promised that they could live there for their lifetimes. The relationship then soured when their daughter sold the flat in 2022, stating that the buyer would move in and the parents had to move out and leave by May that year. The parents sued their own daughter for $300,000, alleging that they had given her a $240,000 discount on the flat's market value and contributed $80,000 to help clear her debts. While the parties were set to face off in court in October of that year, an unexpected turn of events occurred. The daughter won the case without even a fight because her parents and a lawyer chose not to attend the trial, citing illness. However, they didn't provide medical certificates to support their absence. It was striking that shortly after the case was dismissed, the parents and their lawyers prepared statements and legal documents for an appeal application contradicting their claims of ill health. What was the court's verdict in the end? The judge in that case found this sequence of events highly suspicious, and he noted that the parents and their lawyers had ample time and capacity to prepare the appeal application and attach supporting documents despite claiming illness. The judge saw their actions as an abuse of the court's process, aiming to inconvenience their daughter, increase her legal costs, and prolong the proceedings. Examining the merits of the parents' claim, the judge also found that they had no objective evidence supporting their allegation that their daughter made representations allowing them to stay in the flat for life. They also failed to provide reliable evidence that the fair market value of the flat was $650,000 in 2009 as they claimed when it was sold for $410,000. In addition, there was no evidence of invoices or receipts for the renovation and maintenance expenses the parents alleged they had paid. The court ruled that the claim for $60,000 allegedly led to the daughter to clear her debts had expired in 2015, as such claims have a 6-year limitation period. Ultimately, the judge believed that the parents did not have a good arguable case with a real prospect of success. So, what does this case highlight regarding the importance of documenting family transactions? Number 1, clarity and transparency. Putting the terms and conditions in writing leaves no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. It ensures all parties are on the same page, reducing the chances of misunderstandings. Number 2, legal validity. Written agreements provide a legal foundation, making it easier to enforce terms in court if disputes arise. The absence of written documentation can lead to costly legal battles and uncertainties. Number 3, protecting interests. Documentation safeguards the interests of all parties involved. It ensures that promises or agreements are legally binding, reducing the risk of one person backing out or changing their story. So, what's the final takeaway? This case is a reminder that transparent and documented agreements are crucial even within families. If you're serious about protecting your interest in family assets, maintain records of transactions and put critical terms into writing. This approach will help you avoid disputes, save costs, and preserve family relationships. So now you know. If you found this helpful, follow and subscribe to our channel for more legal things.